This is an old iPad 2, and recently someone on YouTube asked if it was possible to install Reddit. So here I am. Let's go back to home screen. This is an old iPad 2. Zoom in a little bit more. So you go on to the App Store. Over here, search for Reddit. You can see I put in Reddit over here. And here's Reddit. So let's try getting it. Click on again to install. And you get the infamous unable to purchase. It's not compatible. So I really don't think it's possible to install this. I don't think there's an old version of Reddit, but I like to be proved wrong. So what's the first step? Well, I need it to purchase it somehow. So a lot of people have asked me, I don't have another device like this, like an iPhone, a newer iPhone or a newer iPad. What can I do? So the alternative, which I haven't made a video of, is let's assume you have an account. You have a friend. And that friend so let's say you have a friend who has an iPhone and you can get them to install Reddit. Sorry. So I'm gonna go get Reddit right now. So if your friend has an iTunes account, you can ask your friend, can you let me log in their iTunes account onto my iPad temporarily and install Reddit? And so here I've purchased it. It's available. Opening it. I've actually never used Reddit. So I have it on this account. I'll go into settings, if I can ever find settings. And here's the email account for Apple ID. And I'll go back to over here. I'll show you that right now. I have a different one. This one is using alexqc3@gmail.com. The other one was just alexqc. So now what I do is I'll just use my friend's iTunes account. The first thing I have to do is sign out. So again, all I did was I went into settings. You go into settings, and then you have to go to iTunes. You're on the left side, and then you click on the Apple ID, and it'll let you sign out. And now I'm going to sign in with that other account, alexqc@gmail.com. I'm going to put in the password right now. Everything's ready. Signing in. So I always recommend, after you sign in with your friend's account, go ahead and force close all the apps. Hopefully you won't have to reset the iPad. But now you can go into App Store. We're going to search for Reddit. Now when we search for it, hopefully it has a different status other than Now you have, instead of just get, you have this icon that shows that it was available. And again, you can't just click on it over here. It'll say it's not compatible. So we have to use the purchase trick again. At the very bottom is purchased. And then scroll over here, and there's Reddit over there. I don't think it's going to work. It's probably a newer app, but prove me wrong, please. Do you want to download this latest compatible version? And then... So there is an old version of Reddit that you can install. The key question is, can you actually log into Reddit account? And I don't know, like, for instance, Hulu blocks you, but in Netflix, you're not blocked. So now let's go open. And then I'm just gonna, so in theory this should work. I'm gonna skip for now. And then you can browse stuff on Reddit. I don't know much about Reddit. So again, I'm just here to show you that you can, in theory, install the app. And let me see, let me search iPad. And so it does return something. So you might be able to use Reddit on iPad too. Seems like you can. So good luck.